Hey, happy Friday, everybody. We are on the road again, heading out to San Simeon for the weekend. We hope you'll join us as we explore the coast and find our way in the wild.
We were lucky enough to find a last-minute camp spot at San Simeon Creek Campground. Checking for cancellations frequently the week before a trip is a great way to get into a campground that is often booked far in advance.
Yep, burn it. Yep.
Do I just drench it in the heat?
It's leaking.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I think you heard there were sprinkled donuts.
Good morning, Bridge.
Good morning!
What do we got going on?
I'm making sandwiches for the day. We're gonna go out and find a couple hikes and drive up the coast. We tested out the winter liner last night and
Yeah,
it
how'd
was
that go?
so awesome. It was really warm. It's pretty cold out here, as you can see. But yeah, up in the tent, it was really nice and warm.
I sure enjoyed it.
Yeah,
I thought it was
great.
really nice. What's for breakfast?
Bacon under here.
Potatoes.
I'm gonna make some eggs in a minute.
Sounds great.
Pretty good.
Yep. How'd it turn out?
Can you see any more?
Yeah.
We're here at the elephant seal viewing area. This is amazing. There's so many seals here.
What do you think, Bridge?
So pretty.
Continuing further north on Highway 1, we made our way up to Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park. We took the Pfeiffer Falls trail through the majestic redwood forest to reach the falls at the end.
Something that makes us complete when we finally see enough to go around. In space, breathe it in and slowly breathe it out. There's a place just for us here in the gold dust.
Returning south, we next stopped at Pfeiffer Burns State Park to visit McWay Falls. The Overlook Waterfall Trail is a short and level walk from the parking area, leading to a gorgeous view of the bay and McWay Falls. This was our favorite stop along the Big Sur coast.
Driving back toward camp, we could see Hearst Castle far on the hilltops, along with zebras still roaming the ranch.
From our campsite, it was just a short walk to the beach, and we were just in time to catch the sunset.
It wasn't much money, and me and Emma both live in it. And it's tied together by these sea things. And there's wood, and this is wood.
This is gorgeous.
Yeah, all my life you stood by me when no one else was ever behind me. All these lights, you can't blind me with your love. Nobody can drag me down.
Nice.
Nice job, buddy.
Smile.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning, everybody. So we're just kind of having a nice, chill, relaxing morning, sitting around the campfire, eating our oatmeal, just talking about past experiences and things we like.
And blueberries.
And blueberries, which was Emma's choice for the conversation. So, yeah, just kind of hanging out, taking it easy on a nice Sunday morning. We'll get to packing up camp pretty soon here, but checkout time's noon, so there's no rush.
Up there.
One last stop after packing up camp, we walked to the San Simeon Pier, where we saw dolphins jumping in the bay and a curious seal peeking out from the waves.
What is that out there? Do you think that's a I think that's a surfer.
Oh, there's a dolphin over there. Yep.
Right there.
Yep. There he is.
There's a seal. You did it! What do you think, Emma? A good day? It's a good day!
No, I don't want that part. Cut! I do it for
Okay.
Uncle Jason.
That's just rude.
All right.
Oh, baby, no.
And with that sunset, we mark the end of another beautiful day. Out here finding our way.
In the wild.
In the wild.